So this is video number 3 in the Toyota 2020 Toyota Corolla series. I'm going to cover the Smart Key. This thing is absolutely amazing. It is a lifesaver, and it's just a great thing to have. The Smart Key, this guy right here, these guys are amazing. Makes life convenient, makes life easy, and they're just so easy to use. So on the 2020 Corolla, the higher trims like the SE with a few more packages, also the XSE and XLE Corolla will give you a Smart Key. Well, basically gives you, showed you that key earlier, basically gives you access to the driver door, passenger door, and the trunk without having to take your key out of your pocket. Also gives you that push button start. So basically to unlock the vehicle, just put your hand on the handle right here. Super easy to find a handle. And to lock it, there's a little harder to see on this, but there's a little groove. It's a smaller handle, but it's right here that locks it around the side. Now if you want to get into the trunk, now the vehicle's locked, you have a little pressure pad right up here. It's a little bit harder to see. It's on the right side of the backup camera, so it's just right here. I'll press that really quick. Opens that up. Kind of gives you easy access. And something to point out too on the Smart Key system, if you use the passenger side, it's going to unlock all 4 doors. So it's always good to get the door for a significant other, then unlock the whole car. On the driver's side, for safety, it's just going to unlock the driver's side door. So think at night and you just want to get in the car, well, it's super easy to get in the car and lock the car up. Cool, that's the 2020 Toyota Corolla, and covered a little bit of the Smart Key system. Absolutely amazing. And take care. Bye bye.